The last thing we need to do before our mama hen is all finished is stuff and sew her up. Grab some of the fluff that was included in your kit and start stuffing the hen from the head down. You don't need to add all the stuffing right now, but try to add everything you want in the front half. As we start sewing, you can always add a little bit more. The end of your white yarn should be right where we want to start sewing. So grab your yarn needle and thread the yarn through. I like to use the outside loops of my stitches to sew so it's nice and clean. So insert your hook into the outside loop on either side of the hen and then pull it through. Then start on the other side and do the same thing. This will create a nice and clean look when we're done. Keep weaving in the yarn until you're about 3/4 of the way done. Now you'll want to put the rest of the stuffing that you're going to use in the hen. When you're done with that, you can continue sewing her shut. I just finished sewing the hen shut, and now I'm going to make a small knot at the back. Pull it tight. And then I'm just going to go back through a couple of stitches to hide the end of my yarn. After you've gone back a couple of stitches, insert your hook into the chicken and out the other side and pull the yarn needle out of the yarn. Then go to the other side and push the end back into the chicken to hide it. And that's it, you did it. Say hello to Marshmallow, the mama hen.